Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Hi. Can we see your faces once, please? Hey, everyone. You there? Harsh?
Definitely.
So, we have to inform you that we have expanded Blogger and now we are a team of 5. So, we have with us Suhani Bhardwaj, Arshia Singh, and one more member. She couldn't join, but her name is Anaya Srivastav. And also me and Suhani Yadav as usual. So, Suhani Bhardwaj, would you like to introduce yourself?
So, just joined a few months ago, and I've been attending the debates from it has starting from October, right? So I've been attending the debates from there, and now I'm a member too. I hope we'll conduct blogging sessions very soon.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Today's
that's what I'd like to
host
officially
is
say.
Suhani. Yeah. Arsha, would you like to say something about yourself?
Yeah, hello everyone. I am Asha. I am in class 10. I live in Pune. And I've joined Blogger just 2 weeks ago. And this is my first debate that I'm attending. So I really look forward to it. And I hope you all enjoy it.
Yeah. Okay, so we shall start with a warm up session since there are many people who are new here and we don't know each other. So we'll play a game. It's not a game actually, but a new way to introduce yourself. So you'll have to pick an adjective and put before your name and say I am this adjective and your name. So for example,
And that adjective has to begin with the initial, with your initial.
yeah. So my name is Tanisha and my initials basically my name starts from T. So I can say I'm terrific Tanisha. Hi. So that way.
So hi, Terrific Tanisha.
Can
Okay,
I
I'm
combine two
starting now.
adjectives and give like superbly amazing Suhani?
Yeah, you can do that.
Why did you take amazing, Sohani? I hate you.
I'm not finding any word with V R. Please help me.
Oh, V. Your name starts from V.
You
Can
have
we help her?
vibrations, I guess.
Oh my god, it's so tough. Let's Google it.
Hey Vishaka, are you lucky? You can use virtuous Vishaka or visionary Vishaka if
Thank
you
you,
want.
because thank you, Suhani, for things for me. Tanisha, learn from her something.
Visionary Vishaka. Nice. Nice to meet you. Arsha?
Oh, yeah, me too.
Hi, I'm awesome Arshia. Well, I was going to be amazing Arshia, but now that Sohani's taken amazing, I'm awesome Arshia.
Okay. So Hani Bhardwaj, whom we call SB.
Okay, so that is me, I think. Can you listen me now?
Yeah, yes, go ahead with it.
Yeah.
Oh, headstrong with that.
That's nice.
Okay. Headstrong to them. Right?
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Ayushi, you're left.
So they took amazing and awesome. I think I'm left with adventurous, so I'm adventurous,
Oh,
Ayushi.
you're adventurous Ayushi. All right.
Quite amazing.
Okay. So now that I've introduced my team members, I would like to hand over the host position to Suhani Bhardwaj. As she's a new member and she has also seen our debate, she'll conduct the rest of the debate. All the best.
Okay, so
We didn't know this.
thank you. Are we going to add any more, or all of them have joined now?
I think all of them have joined.
In case if anyone hasn't seen the poster already, the topic for today is education expectations versus reality. So basically, what we expect through education and what is the reality that we are facing, that we have all been studying since very long now. And let's see the point of views we are getting so many today. It's a topic like that. So shall I share my screen now?
Yeah, before that, also I
Sure.
forgot that I would like to introduce Ayushi. She is the guest of honor of today's discussion. Ayushi, please
Okay,
tell
so
us about your startup.
Okay, so I'm not sure if I'll go with the term guest of honor. Just consider me as a new member to your community. Alright, so I'm one of the co-founders of Circle of Life. Circle of Life is a community that basically tries to help each other grow. We try to heal individuals. Many a times it happens, right, that we try to bottle up our feelings because they're classified by the society as something wrong or something unnecessary. But that's really wrong because when you stifle up your feelings, even one small issue can open up a Pandora's box, right? So this is why we try to create a platform where people can actually vent out their feelings. Right now, it's in the form of a Telegram page. Also, over here, if you want us to connect you to some counts, we do that as well, and we have some volunteers who are very good listeners. If the host allows me, just for 2 minutes, can I show you a short video on how to join our group?
Yeah, sure.
yeah, sure.
I'll just share my screen. Right? Yeah, Swani, I'll share the. I'm not being able to share the screen for some reason.
Ayushi, do you want me to do it?
Oh, yeah, Ridhik,
I've
could you
got
share
the
that
video.
video?
Wait, let me just open WhatsApp app.
Okay.
Just give me a second.
Hriday, I'm sorry. Just a second. I finally figured it out. It's the first time I'm using Google Meet actually. So it's a public account, so you can just search for it on Telegram, but I'll send the link anyhow. Once you log into the group, that is Circle of Life, you go to the description. Over here, I hope you see the link. So yeah,
Swani, sorry,
You
Ayushi.
can pin her screen. You can pin her
Ayushi,
screen.
can you rotate your screen?
Oh, okay. I'm not really sure how to do that. Hriday, do you mind sharing?
Okay, I don't have internet, but let me try opening WhatsApp.
Also, it's fine. I'll just tell you how to go about it. I'll just share the link of our Telegram group in the chat box. All you need to do is go to the description box where there's a link. You just need to fill out the form. So actually, right now, if you join the group, you won't be able to send any messages unless we add you to the group. So you just need to fill out the short Google form. Over there, we'll just be asking for a few details, and your identity remains anonymous, of course. And within 36 hours, you'll be added to the group and you should be able to start sharing your feelings or whatever you want to share with the community. So I'll just share the link to the, how do you say, oh god, the Telegram page in the chat box here. You guys can check it out. That's a really fascinating concept, Ayushi. I really like it.
Thank you. We
In
hope
fact,
to help
like,
many people with this.
yeah, in fact, these days when you get to know about so many people facing depression because they're
Exactly.
not able to vent out their feelings, this is
Especially with the social distancing,
really
you can't even meet your friends to share with them.
yeah, it's a very nice initiative.
Thank you. So yeah, if all of you can become, if all of you feel comfortable, please become a part of this community. We would love to help each other.
Yeah, sure. So, shall we go ahead now, as all of you have already came across what Ayushi's community is about, and okay, so I'm sharing my screen.
So, honey, I don't mean to interrupt, but we have new members joining in, so if we could ask them to do the same thing that we
Okay,
already
there's people joining it. Okay, then I can. Okay.
Okay, guys, one more thing. If you're having network issues, you can definitely turn off your video and participate in the debate by unmuting yourself.
Okay, Tanisha, do you think any more people would be joining for now?
I think you guys should start because it's already 11 minutes past 4 and we don't have much time, right?
Yeah. I
Okay.
think we should
Okay.
start. Hey guys, can you see her screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. I think we should move forward to the next slide. So today's topic is education, expectations versus reality. Do you want me to read the rules for the debate or is it visible to you? Guys, please
I
respond.
think Tanisha, no, let's just start with the discussion. The rules are pretty much clear because most of the members have attended all of our sessions.
Yes.
So they know the rules, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yes, Shivani.
Okay. So, Suhani, over to you.
Okay, so at the very first thing I want to do is to know that who are the members who are for the motion and against the motion regarding the topic.
I am a little bit confused about the topic that we have education expectation versus reality. So we have to talk about this that whatever we expect from our education, that's what we are getting in reality or not.
yeah. So if you are more towards the positive, or if you are criticizing the education system, sort of like your expectations are not met by the education system.
Okay, thank you. Pretty clear.
I
Okay,
think most
Ankur.
of us would be towards one side, I guess.
Can I give you guys
I'm
an
against
opening
the
argument?
against the motion. I'm also in against the motion.
Okay, Hriday.
Oh, even I would like to go against.
Apurv,
If
what are your...
topic has been made in such a way where we are supposed to discuss about what we expect from the education system and what is the reality. That's about
So
it because yeah, we all know that it's most of our expectations are not met by the education system, right?
let's not call this a debate, we'll call it a discussion instead.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'll give you guys an
Yes,
opening
because we
argument.
never do debate.
Yes, I'll give you guys an opening argument so that we can have a base about what we're really discussing. There's just this little write up that I prepared, and I'd like you guys to listen to this. So, the one thing that our parents and teachers at school have been able to teach us quite successfully is their definition of education. The ability to learn everything from the textbook and then vomit it all out in the examination. When we would receive a pat on the back from the teacher, or a round of applause from the entire class, or smileys and stars drawn next to the perfect score, we thought we had conquered the world by merely accomplishing these small tasks. However, as we grew, so did our curiosity and an unending desire to absorb as much as we could about the wonders of the world. We were then again told to limit ourselves to textbooks, to try not to show off our extra knowledge about a subject on the paper. And with that, we became victims of this sad education system that has undergone such minimal change over the years. Year after year, the percentages shoot up, with people getting perfect scores in all the subjects, even in the languages. The cutoff for admission into prestigious colleges also increases correspondingly. And thus, we initiate a vicious cycle of getting marks, marks, and more marks. The student's life is defined by numbers now, not by his dreams or ambitions about what he really wants to do. So, it's pretty clear that every time we're just asking each other our marks. Okay, how much did you get? How much did you get? We're not really bothered about what that person is really interested in doing. And that's where the flaws in our education system begin. And this is something that we've been doing from the beginning, right? Like, I have a very young brother. He's just 7 years old. And the kind of stuff that he has to do is like learn spellings of uninterrupted power supply. And he's just 7 years old, and he had to do all of this when he was in first standard. And he's like a whole list of words which he has to learn, and then go to school and give a dictation. And then the teacher actually, gives first, second, third prizes to first standard students who come first in an exam. So how is that fair for a child that young?
Thank you very much, Hani, for such a good opening. So, I would like to add a question to you so that you will get to know what point do you have to speak on. A little question this is. So, what are your views on the current education system? Like, if you're given a chance to be some sort of education minister who can actually alter the education policy, what changes would you like to get in? Do you all hear me?
Yeah, so honey, why don't you ask someone to speak?
Okay, Vishaka, would you like to speak?
Yes, I was waiting for my chance. So, what our education expectations is this much or beyond this? Exactly, but what we get. In reality, it is just for our education, isn't it? Is that true to say that we go to school and institute for education? But nowadays, if we see, it's not true that we are only getting degrees from schools and colleges. And that degree will help us in our further education or be stable in our life. Like after colleges or whatever we are studying, we complete our studies and just focus on our forward career, right? Like we got degree and we go for a job, and if we got job, then we are stable and settled in our life. But that's not the truth, I think. Students should be acknowledged more. I'm a little bit confused about explaining this, so I think that I will explain after some time.
Okay, then. Anyone else? Yeah, we can hear you perfectly. Shraddha, what are your views on that question?
Can I get some time to frame my answer?
Yeah,
If you
okay,
don't mind.
sure.
Thank you.
Can I go,
Okay,
Somani?
yeah, sure.
Okay, so we've all heard that education prepares us for life. Now, I'm pretty sure that the education that we're doing here does not prepare us for life. First of all, there's absolutely no scope for team building. We have just 30 minutes of PT period.
Ayushi, I have a question for you. Since you are involved in all this, helping people cope up with things that are not generally accepted in our society, what are your views about students who, may not well be, very well good in academics, but that's what is really expected out of them to perform well and everything. So, what would you think about how would these people feel?
Excuse me.
Oh,
Hello. Hello.
so should I
Yes,
continue or with Ritesh going?
Can I say or I forget? I think I don't know how to pronounce her name. Shia said that school doesn't teach us school doesn't teach us what is life. That's what he said, right? School doesn't teach us anything about life.
It said that
Your voice is
it
cracking.
doesn't prepare us for life in the way.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I don't know about your school, but in my school we got the Scouts and Guides period where the teacher teaches us how to be ourselves in the wild, and that also counts as preparing for life. And be ourselves in the wild, like a wild, and if you have no food, how to cook food, and how to stay in the wild, how to make tents, how to like manage in the wild. And second thing is not life. I'm sure you might be having a period called physics, and in physics they also might be teaching you kilograms and grams, units. And you need those units is when you go buy vegetables in the vegetable vendor. You need those units saying how many kilograms of what you want or how many grams of what vegetable do you want. So that's all. That also does count as life, right?
of course it does. It
Hriday,
doesn't make your views.
I actually have an answer to what you are saying. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
So, yeah, you said maybe your school does teach you how to live life. I just have one simple question. They teach you how to write well in the paper, right? And if you get good marks in your exams, they appreciate you also. But suppose you get low marks, are you still happy or are you disappointed? And that is
That's
what
not
life is, no?
that's not obvious answer. You will be disappointed because you get low marks because of your mistake. You've not studied. It's not because of the teacher's mistake, right?
I'm not telling. Okay,
You were saying
let me explain myself properly.
yeah, continue. Say.
Because I was just telling, they do not exactly teach you how to deal with failure. They teach you how to go about success, but not how to deal with failure. You told that, of course, you need calculations when you go to a vendor. But I just have one simple question. If I give you algebra sum, I'm sure you can solve it. But if I send you to a vendor and within 2 minutes if I ask you that whether has he given you the correct balance or not, will you be able to do that?
What do you mean? Correct balance of what?
Okay, so okay, you went to a vendor, you bought something for 56 rupees, but you had given 100 rupees note. Now, could you solve it immediately? Just suppose, he gave you 42 rupees back. Would you know it immediately? You would have to calculate a bit. Of course, my numbers were very easy, but
Everybody's not Einstein. You have to calculate.
that's what I'm telling. Okay, okay, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So what was your question?
I was telling it, there are a lot of things that are not covered in school. At times, even when it comes to feelings, they do not teach you how to deal with feelings. They do not teach you how to deal with failure. All
It's
they
not,
teach you is how.
yeah, and it's not
Listen,
it's true that not everybody is in.
Okay. Just a minute. Sorry, but can you tell me the name of 5 schools that don't teach you how to deal with failure? Hello.
My school.
I could name mine. I could name my school if you'd like, but
Even I could name mine.
Yeah, I could name all schools in Pune or all over India, I guess.
In Pune, right? All over
That's
India.
90% of schools in India.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so give me an example of how they not teach you life and failure. Come on, everything doesn't have to be spoon feeded. You have to spoon feed it. You have to tell the teacher that how to deal with this, right?
So don't you think that the school faculty has actually they have to plan this stuff out where the students actually get to express themselves?
Yeah, they have
so
to, but
I'll
the
tell
student.
you how. I'll tell
Yeah,
you
yeah,
how.
say, go on, say.
So suppose there's this teacher who's giving out papers, okay, and it's like so there's this one person who comes up to her and he or she's not performed very well. So she's like, oh, I expected more out of you and blah blah blah. And uske baad there's this other child who comes up and he's got like hunting, praising him or her in front of the entire class. So what would you call that? Isn't
I
that
would call
discouraging?
that. Yeah, listen. So if okay, say I am the teacher, and say person X has got 100 out of 100. I say you've done very bad. You could have. Why did you get 100 out of 100? Do I say that? What else do I say? And secondly, what was your question again?
I don't think you should listen to the question first before answering it. Sorry.
Yeah, so I heard the question and then I just got a bit out of track.
Well, what if I've improved from the last time? What if
You improved
I've
from
like
last time, the teacher will say that you've improved, but you need to work more harder.
yeah,
The
but
teacher
in this
likely
case
say
she
that.
doesn't. She just says that look, this person has got this much, you haven't. How
Because
very
I'll tell you why she doesn't, because she cares for you. She says that that's what she's telling you, because she's telling you this because she cares for you and she knows that you'll get good marks. That's why she's doing it. There's no
Hriday,
betterment.
can I say something?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I would like to give an example here, which actually happened with me when I was in standard 7th.
Yeah, go on.
So, we used to give vivas for our exam, and we were having a viva in maths class, okay. And what happened was I wasn't able to give the proper answer for the definition of a hypotenuse, I think so.
Okay, yeah, the right angle triangle.
Yeah, that one. Okay. So I wasn't able to give the proper answer for that. And immediately, the sir told me in front of the entire class that if I call a junior, like he literally called a junior and asked her or him to give the definition of a hypotenuse. I know what a hypotenuse is, but I couldn't express myself there. How would I
Okay,
feel that time?
how would you feel? So I can't tell how would you feel, but what do you want me to say?
Yeah, that is
No,
what I'm
you
trying to say, that you can't know how I am feeling because this situation hasn't happened with you. I have gone through this.
It
Yeah.
happened with me. I didn't say it's because the teachers. I don't blame the teachers at all. I say I've been embarrassed many times. Everybody, and plus this is life. Come on. And plus, I didn't
I
understand
totally
that.
agree with not blaming the teachers. Absolutely, they're doing their work properly. But what I am talking about is is the education system as a whole, not just teachers. Okay. See, for example, you spoke about physics. How many
Yeah.
physics concepts have you learned practically? All of it is just so theoretical. How would you expect a person to memorize stuff? First of all, the
So
entire thing was
that's why
memorizing.
schools have physics labs, so we can do it practically.
Yeah, so how many times has your class been
how many times
taking
in a
the
year do you go
Either
to the
life is
physics
not a
lab?
lab. Life is not a lab.
Come on. Okay, I know that life is not a lab, but she took this lab incident, so I have to give an example. Plus, because of lockdown, we are being able to go to the lab. That's why, even though our school is telling us to get stuff like basic needs and out of using DIY, we are going to do physics projects like the seesaw, the pivot, the hinge, all of that. And secondly, you said in a year how many times, I can't tell you that, but yes, like every alternate class, we do go to the lab and we do practical exams. And we
Oh,
also have
that's a
practical.
very nice thing. So which school do you
I
go to
want to
again?
Indeed, as I go to MRV, Amity Rishikul Vidyalaya in Mumbai.
Oh, okay.
Sorry,
Okay, so now,
I would like to pose a question here first.
Yeah.
And I would specifically want to get the answer of this question from Ankur. Ankur?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So my question is, how many physics concepts have been useful in daily life?
Uh, so far, whatever we have learned from the beginning, like from class 4 to 12, I think in our daily life, we encounter almost 80% of them around us in direct or indirect way.
I would
For
say
ex-
99%.
Uh, no, not 99% because there are some phenomena which can only be observed during some specific conditions. So that's why I give 80%. And you haven't studied all of them quite yet. That's why.
I feel you encounter with physics in day-to-day life, I agree. But you don't encounter with the definitions of physics. I encounter with force, but not with the definition of force.
I see we learn definitions, we learn all of this only to get grades. Yes, and those grades help us
Exactly.
go to good colleges.
That,
Those good
that's
colleges
exactly
take
the
us
point you're there. That's exactly what I was trying to say. Just listen to me. Hold on. So the definition can get you grades, but do grades define you, or does your talent define you? To
our
live in
talent.
academic, I do not need 100%, but I need to know how to work.
Nobody defines. Nobody says that grades define you. If you've seen the movie Tare Zameen Par, I'm sure you might have.
Those
The
are
boy,
movies which are exactly opposing the message that is generally believed in.
Exactly.
come on, those movies they say that he was good in art, but he didn't. I mean, Ayushi said grades don't define you. That's why. So that boy, he used to get very bad grades, but he was so good in art. So grades usually don't define you. I agree with you. I agree.
Yeah, but don't you realize that our education system is entirely based on grades?
It is based on grades. Okay, let me explain you. It's based on grades for the betterment of art in the future. If we get good
I
grades,
want
we
to
go into
stop
a
you
good
all
college.
and
Can I just
excuse me.
complete this?
Can I say something now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's think realistic, and as we all have passed 10th and 12th, so basically after 10th, I want to derive one more topic like education expectations and family expectations or relatives, we can say. After 10th, as we have to choose subjects, right? Arts, science, and commerce. So basically, those two students who have background of science, like in 12th, after 12th, we have to choose one more subject. I want to give an example here about me that I had a background of science in 12th, but after 12th, I took arts like BA, and everybody like my relatives and friends were asking me that why you changed your faculty. Like they are literally they're asking me that is there any scope in BA or like whatever scopes we are choosing. Like people think if you took science in 12th, then there's no life after that. We have to do engineering or doctorate only after taking science in 12th. Is that right saying that only engineering and doctorate is available?
No, that's not right. By the way, I don't know about that. I'm still in the eighth, but it's not right because if you learn science, you can become a scientist, you can become a doctor.
So that's
So
what
what
the
she's
education
talking
is. Now
about is
people
this.
pressurize us. Students get depressed by hearing others' opinions that you have to use your brain or doing something like that. Students get distracted by these all things. Like we have to research ourselves when we are in 10th or 12th. Teenager is a phase where people were very confused. And I'm the one.
The thing is that I feel we are still too unexposed till 10th to even choose what we actually like. When all our lives till 10th, we've been only studying what our books taught us. We've had very little practical application to whatever we've studied, then how are we even mature
And
enough?
I totally agree to
Uh,
that point.
I have an answer for that.
Even I have answer for that. You say practical, okay? You get practical every day. You might be going, as I said, you might be going to buy vegetables. You see mask, grams, math calculations,
Okay,
change. That
forget
becomes
buying
practical.
vegetables. Just think of something
Okay.
else.
What's something else? Give me the topic. You give me a topic. What to think on? I'll give you the
Uh,
practical.
can I say something?
Yeah,
Yes,
Ankur,
yes,
go
of
ahead.
course.
Uh, Basically, someone said that we have not quite sure that what we want to do in our life up to class 10th. Okay, so here is the thing. Actually, when from the very beginning, like when we are in KGs or class 1 or 2, till then, I think everyone is clear in their minds, like what they want to do in their mind. Here is how, like, there is something in the world out there which made you extremely excited from inside. Just like in my case, I get very excited whenever I see the clear sky or stars or planets or moons, and someone get excited over looking to the flowers or like fishes, water. So I think there is somewhere deep down in their heart, all of us know what we want to do with our life in future. But as the time passes, we generally forgot about it, like uh, due to various reasons like family pressure and our peers or surrounding. Okay, so I don't think it's a good reasoning to say that we don't have idea up to class 10 that what we want to do.
That's what I am saying, that we have some idea, but because of our family and relative pressure, we come into pressure and we just confuse
Come on,
that what we
come
have
on.
to do.
That used to happen in the 80s. I don't think it
Oh,
happens
sorry there, but
Hriday,
that
it still
happens here
happens.
also.
Amma,
Ah,
this
we
way
are,
I have finished it.
now.
People have asked me, don't you score fine enough that you didn't get an admission in time?
What?
It
What? I
it
think you
still
don't
happens. It happens every day.
Can you please repeat? Don't you score?
Don't you score fine? Why couldn't you take science? Did you get admission? That was the question asked to me. Even though I got admission in all three science, commerce, and arts, but I chose arts. Till
Yeah.
today, I get those looks of pity. Till today, I get those looks of this point in
Listen,
your life.
how about you tell them, okay, respectfully, saying that I have the right to choose what I do and I like arts more than science. That's why I did it.
Okay, so can I pose a question up here? Do you think generation gap has to play any role regarding the problems we have from the current education system?
Uh, I want to add here something. Actually, the
Yeah, go
answer
ahead.
lies in it. Actually, our education system is ages old. Like our education system is of empirical time when the industrial revolution just happened. Uh, just hear it. When the industrial revolution first came into light, so what the industries need? Workers, uh, like extremely fine craftsmen, clerks to handle the paperwork, and technicians to handle the machines. So that's where they divided the classes into three groups. Like uh, the student who studied science will handle the machines and technical work, and who studied commerce will handle the paperwork, and the third group which are good in communication skill and other works like doing printing or something, they choose arts. So as the time passes, industrial revolution happened like 200 or 300 years ago, and we are still following that system. After that, and as the time passes, new and new opportunities evolve from there. For example, up to the 20th century, we don't even know about the quantum mechanics, and forget about quantum mechanics. We still don't know about many things out there which have been discovered in last 60 years or 70 years. So as the time passes, new and new things are coming with, but our education system is failing to be in pace with that. I'm here talking about India's education system, not of foreign countries,
Uh,
because they are
as
far
you
ahead of us.
as you talked about education system, so if you had seen the news that we are adapting new education policy,
Yeah, of
But
course.
currently, yes, but what do you think that that new education policy will also implement in government schools? Like we have private schools and government schools, but that much private schools focus on the students. Government schools are not. They don't
Uh,
give up good quality educations also to the government school child.
That again
Actually,
depends on what state you're talking about. Because the government schools are
yes.
handled by the state
Let's okay.
government,
And
right?
moreover, the
Let's talk
government
about
school,
our
the
take on this.
education system is not, it's like, they're not responsible for the government schools. The government is. The education system is just framing how the education system is going to work in every single school in India.
Okay, I want to just put here a funny example about our neighboring state like Bihar. People used to study there, but they don't want to do jobs or something settled in their life. What do you think about that?
That is because they are conditioned that way. Because they are all forced to get government jobs, and if they don't get through, they don't want to do anything. I really don't mean to offend
Uh,
anyone here, but
uh,
that's
actually,
what I
Bihar has the most powerful labor force in the whole country. The problem is the people of Bihar get out of the state to work. For example, they move to Maharashtra or Punjab for farming and doing other skill jobs. If industries develop in our own state, then why we have to go anywhere else? So it's ultimately up to the government कि वो यहाँ पे आके factories लगाएं. Then we don't have to go anywhere else for jobs and all.
Okay,
Okay,
guys,
so I have
one
one more
more.
question.
I'm sorry, but we're deviating from the topic actually. We're talking about our career, but not about our
Yeah.
expectations from our
Yeah.
education system.
So I have a question. How
Yeah.
exactly is history that you learn till class 10? That is,
Can you please
how
repeat
is
how
that?
exactly is?
How exactly is the history that you're learning helpful?
Okay. So firstly in high school, we stopped learning humanities, that's history and geography, uh, from the seventh grade. But history is helpful because you need to learn the past of your country. Because you stay in India, you need to learn something about India, like about the past, how the kings and rulers ruled India. What was India about in the past? The Kohinoor, and yeah, that's why it's important.
Actually, I
Can
don't think
I?
that history can be teach just for the sake of knowing what was happened in the past.
Yeah, because
Actually,
learning history has a deeper meaning. That is to basically understand what mistakes our ancestors made and to make
yes,
sure that
yes, exactly.
we do not repeat them. However, from what we learn through our textbooks, we do not understand what sort of mistakes we've made in the past, so that we can actually think over it and do not repeat it. That's the thing. And
I agree. History is a beautiful subject if taught in the right way.
I
yeah,
also want to ask one
everyone
question.
thinks history and geography
Listen,
are the
listen.
most boring
I
subjects in life,
also
but
want to
Okay,
ask a
in
listen.
question.
history,
Okay,
because
listen. Everything is just not going to be in a textbook. You do have to research about the topic more.
Hriday, can you please, hello, Hriday, can you listen to me?
Yeah.
Can you please let Arshia finish once and then you can speak your mind?
Okay, I thought she finished.
yeah, I had finished and he was
Yeah.
asking. So, as far as research is concerned, Hriday, first of all, we have long school hours. All right. After that, there is a lot of stuff like coaching and all that do not allow students to give time to themselves. Moreover, with a lot of distraction on Instagram and all, how exactly do you expect them to go for research? And we need people to encourage us to get into all of this. We don't
Can I
have
join
that.
in? Hey,
Hello?
are you guys aware of not Germany, Finland's education system, logic-based studies? Are you guys aware of it?
Yes.
It's really interesting. Like, what you told about research, you can do it in such an education system, but not with the current education system we have in India. So in Finland, they have no textbooks. It's all project-based studies. So suppose a teacher is studying on a topic like history, the Harappan civilization, then even the students do the same thing. And the students are not told to particularly study anything. They're given the freedom to choose anything under that main topic, any subtopic of that main topic. So in such a case, yes, you can do a research. But when you are forced to stick to a textbook, when you have some 8 hours of school, and then you go home just to study for the exam you have tomorrow, it is not really practical to do research on some other topic.
Like, what do you mean not practical?
Not practical here, I'm sorry, that was my fault. Not practically, it will be difficult to actually research on some topic.
Why is that? Internet is free.
See, it's not about internet, it's about time. When you sit to study for an
Come
exam,
on,
you do not
come on. Just need 10 minutes of research. Just 10 minutes. मैं write down 20 points in just every day. Just not 10 minutes. Matter of
See,
10 minutes.
okay, fine. You study all right, and then one day you write it in your exam paper. However, it is not mentioned in your textbook, and
Okay.
your teacher deduct marks.
Okay, listen. I don't know any teacher where you go and share something or something out of the blue, something out of the textbook. You tell the teacher, and the teacher doesn't approve it. Like even in the exam, you write about the topic, but you write a bit extra. The teacher will appreciate it. I don't
That's
think
not how it works.
Yeah, that's not how it works. You need to stick to the textbook.
If you write
Whenever
anything apart from the textbook, the
Okay,
teacher will like cut your
it
marks.
You
depends on
can
the
write a lot if you have enough time. I'll just give you an example. We are studying the chapter of Renaissance right now. So suppose I have a lot of knowledge about Da Vinci, a particular painter, actually an artist, and I write it all in my paper. Of course, I can write it all in my paper, and my teacher won't deduct marks. But writing that much about Da Vinci will leave me enough time to write about Dante. So yeah, you won't have enough time to write extra in your paper.
Okay, now leave about extra. You said that we need to see the mistakes or the ancestors made. So we're not talking about papers now. You wanted to see the mistake or the ancestors made and not make the same mistake again in the future, right? So 5 minutes or 10 minutes research every day, you can find out what mistakes the ancestors made or whatever topic is going on.
But don't you think the education system should present it in such a way that enables students to think that way and not just
What do you
monotonous
mean?
points given there?
Okay, guys, on that note,
That
I would
doesn't
like to
happen
say
in
one
my
thing.
board, by the way. Like, it's like you write, you don't need to write straight word to word the textbook, you write whatever you understand. I don't know what school you go to, but
Hriday,
I want to ask a question to you
wait,
all.
just a second, Vishaka. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
okay.
But there is one thing that I want to mention here, that we're only talking about the reality and not our expectations. What do we actually expect from the education system?
That's what I was going to ask, Anisha. You snatched
Okay, so
my
for that,
question.
for that, I would like to go person to person and ask one thing that they think should be in the education system.
Expected from education.
Okay?
What? Repeat the
Can we
question.
start with Akanshi? Because
Yeah.
she has been quiet from a long while. So,
Yes, Hani, over to you. You can handle the debate now.
okay, so Akanshi, can you hear me? Akanshi?
yes.
Did she left?
No, no.
Okay. So, can we have your views over what you expect from our education system and what you study?
Actually, I haven't prepared anything. I just want to listen everyone's views.
Okay, but what's your point? That one thing that should be in the education system, every education system.
The way to deal with the problem that actually right now I'm facing, that my pre-boards are coming and I'm lacking behind many. I have to read many things, but teacher are not telling how to cope up. But they are telling just get the passing marks. That is enough for me. That is not right thing. I'm just getting depression to how to complete my courses and pre-boards are coming. So if
Okay, so we got one point, that we want teachers to help us deal with the problems.
they
Okay. Okay. Apur?
Okay, Apu.
I think there must be more focus on the practical knowledge and like not like just like learning some random facts that you need to forget the next day. And like we should like actually like try some things like which we can actually do. Like school should make us do those things instead of just learning them.
Okay, Ankur, what are your views?
Uh, there should be some topics given to. It's up to the choice of the student that they have to prepare something new, like out of the box, like uh, something that is not included in the syllabus of a school. They have to do it all by their own. Actually, I'm not quite sure what to tell. There is a lot of things I want to say, but just one thing is very difficult to say.
Okay, what else do you think is important if you want to speak anything else?
Like uh, we have a lot of topics and chapters in our syllabus. For example, the syllabus of physics in given in class 11th and 12th is quite heavy. But when you observe carefully, the syllabus of class 11 physics is what we observe in our daily life in macroscopic form. It is all given there. And in class 12, what is going on inside the molecular level or atomic level, we studied about them in the class 12. But if there is someone who want to study something else apart from it, then there is no scope in our education system. So I want to say that we have to give every student, like you can say, an assignment to prepare something else other than the syllabus, which they will do on their own. And the school can provide certificates like, yes, this man, this topic completely on his own. I think you are getting it.
Yeah, we got you perfectly, Ankur. Okay, Arshia, would you like to say something?
Yeah, so what I expect from the Indian education system is to be totally done with the evaluation system. Now, this is going to help us out in a lot of ways. First of all, it's going to reduce the pressure on students. It's going to help them actually understand things in a way that they can use it practically. Moreover, it is going to reduce all the competitiveness around us. Like, you know, you must have been to various coaching classes. All of us here aspiring for JEE or even NEET for that matter, we must have heard the people from coaching classes say that, you know what, join our coaching classes, we'll help you get the best all India ranks. And like we have some thousands of people coming first in Maharashtra, all that, I don't want all that. Because at the end of the day, it is this need for coming first that has led to so many vices. I mean, you know, yeah, so
So,
I want to be
what are you
done with
suggesting for this?
sorry,
What are you exactly suggesting for this?
to be done with the evaluation system that we do not want marks. We
Okay,
want
so
learning.
you're trying
We
to
want
say that we
education in
should
the
reform
truest
the
sense.
evaluation system.
Sorry, I mean,
Uh, I want to add something.
Yeah.
Uh, there is one more thing. I think the exam should be based more on logical tests rather than fact-based examination. Like example problem solving examinations, like uh, reasoning and the
yeah,
something
but
that deals with
Ankur, think about it. You have logic reasoning exams, and then there's one kid who's got all of them correct, while there's another who couldn't get any at all. Now that
the
one kid
one.
is obviously going to show off his marks, right? That's the thing. I
Yes.
don't want the evaluation system at all.
Actually, I think there is no method other than giving logical questions to kids for testing their intelligence. Like basically, reasoning question tells us about our IQ. Okay, so जब तक हमें ये नहीं पता होगा कि किसका दिमाग कितना चलता है, तब तक हम कैसे उसे ये जान पाएंगे कि उसके साथ डील कैसे करना है.
So that can be done by giving practical stuff now. For say you're learning a concept. Say for example, something related to flotation, Archimedes principle. Okay, you go to the physics lab, and the child who can actually do it, the teachers address him personally and guide him through physics, and maybe help him out of it, because all this has just led to so much of competitiveness all around us, and it's created so much pressure, and people feel demoralized and demotivated all the way. So I don't want marks at all. That's it.
Okay, okay. I'm getting what you want to tell, that examination should not happen and evaluation system can should be completely demolished. That's right.
See, exams can happen. I'm not opposing exams. I'm opposing the evaluation system. There's a difference.
Uh,
You
so
can take someone's exam without them knowing that there's an exam going on. You know,
uh, yeah, yeah, I can understand that.
Okay, then we shall move to the next person.
Vishakha or Ayushi, would any of you like to add
I
points?
want to say, yes, I want to put a point here that schools should improve the education strategies, like they should create a good environment around students, and in university and colleges, vocational courses should be treated equally as other subjects. Like those students who are good in different subjects, like they are good in fashion designing or interior decorations, or you are getting what I am saying, different kind of things. So they should be also treated equally as other subjects. So I think that our country will be more educated because of those. That's
Okay,
all.
we will next move forward to Ayushi. What would you like to speak about this?
I would say give us the freedom to choose what we want to study. Don't restrict us, don't keep us within the textbooks. Even when it comes to choices in 11th and 12th, it's possible that I want to have a combination between arts and science. Don't restrict me to choose a few subjects. Give me the option to choose whatever I want to learn.
Exactly.
Actually, you can do it right now. There is a option in CBSE,
What is it?
but most of the schools don't follow us. For example, when I was in DAV, I want to study IP in instead of CSE. Uh, Vinit sir prohibited me from doing this. He said that we can't do that because there is not a single person in your class who is opted for IP.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's one more example. I am the example. Actually, I wanted to have both maths and bio, and our school only taught one subject at a time. But ultimately, I am doing maths and bio together, but I have to do one subject on my own. I won't get any guidance from the school.
so you don't have PCMB together.
I have PCMB, but I have to focus only on one in the school.
It's like she has not given any extra period to study maths. She has to leave her bio class to study maths, and that's what's the problem is. We are not given enough time to focus on any sixth subject we have taken. Like I've also taken CS, but I don't get time to study about it.
Yeah, I think Hriday is
Nobody is
left.
there to help.
Before we discuss about it, Hriday is left for that question. So, Hriday,
Yeah,
what's your point?
my point is, in my school is like we had an option of learning computer science, but the school it would not teach computer science. It would only give us the exams computer science or computer science. So we had to learn computer science on our own, which I didn't like, and the school should have taken the initiative and taught computer science.
So,
So
teaching all subjects. That's
yeah,
what you're saying.
teaching all subjects. I'm not sure this happens with all schools, but this happened with
Yeah, but the drawback in our school is that we got to write computer programs and not actually do it in a computer lab. So that's what I would also want to change.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Now we all have given our points what we expect from our education system. One more thing that I would like to say here, that we should also be taught to value our education system, like our education, not just ये पढ़ो वो पढ़ो ऐसे पढ़ो, but also what are the basic moral values, the ethics that a person should have for the rest of his life. So basically, a good um, guide. I don't know. I mean, can anyone of you explain this?
Tanisha, you remember in St. Joseph we have a moral value book, but people teach us also, but children are not getting how to apply that in your daily life.
Yes, apply those in daily life.
Even if teachers make us understand that what is moral values, then also some students are like that who don't apply it in their daily life. They don't apply it in their
Same thing
younger
happened
ones.
in the same thing happened in DAV also. We had moral education books, but that was just to gain more marks. Am I right?
Yes,
That moral
yes.
education book is more of a history of our
Vedic
Swamis
period, I think.
period.
Can I
Yeah.
give a real life example for this exact same thing?
Yeah,
Um,
sure.
It actually happened in our school. We had a classmate, Ganpati. So that guy, he was not at all good at studies, but it's not because he did not have any concentration, any love towards education. He used to work really hard. I swear I've seen him every day in long break, when in lunch break. We all used to have fun, and he used to sit in the front with one of the good scorers of our class, sitting and solving maths. But still, for some reason, he would never score well. But he could build any machine he wants to. And we've seen him build a oven from scratch using some aluminium sheets and things like that. Now, this guy was very well behaved and he loved studying. He was very hardworking and everything. And we had a really smart person in our class, but not at all well behaved, and he did not even work very hard, and he disrespected teachers, education, and everything. And yet, somehow, the teachers never failed to appreciate the good scorer. But I forgot to mention the Ganpati who used to sit every day and work hard on the subject, who used to behave well in class, who used to respect teachers. ये marks के चक्कर में they forget कि what is actually important in life.
The exact reason why I want to be done with the evaluation system.
yes. Okay. And also, I would like to meet that person, Ayushi.
I know that he is a genius, okay, when it comes to machines. He's like, you can actually make a movie on him, something like that is, I mean, but he's such a genius when it
I
comes
will.
to building stuff.
I will when
Same
I
here.
become a virtual director.
Make you the actor in your short film.
So you want to be director, Tanisha?
Arey, it's just a joke, yeah.
I
Okay.
know.
So, guys, now when we have discussed all about the expectations, we shall move to the reality, what we actually get. I'll read out the points which I've noted, and then you can give the counterpoint on what we are actually getting. So, the first point was that we want a way to deal with the problems. We want teachers to help us deal with the problems. So, any one of you has experienced this in their school? Like the teachers have morally supported you?
Yes, I have experienced. Many in class 6 and 7, my class teacher supported. I was not a good enough in studies that time, but class teacher usually give me a moral support that yes, you can do it. But my classmates were not good. They always tease me. Every day they used to tease me, but my class teacher was so good that he always supported me.
Okay. Anyone else?
Yeah, whenever I feel let down. See, I am like I don't know. I am like in good contact with most of my teachers. So whenever I feel that I haven't done well, they're always there to help me out. I don't think I can ever say that my teachers haven't done anything. Yeah, they are always there to morally support.
And exactly in class 10th and 12th also, मेरी डूबती नैया मेरे टीचर ने बचाई है.
But when you talk about the expectations of not just the society, but overall, like your self expectations, when you're not able to meet them, no form of moral support can help you.
Can you repeat, Arshia?
Hello?
Arshia, did you hear? Did you heard Vishakha? She wanted to repeat you to repeat your point. I think she can't hear us. Arshia?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so these are the points that I have noted. The first one was to wait to deal with problems. The second is practical knowledge. How many of you think that our education system is good to have practical knowledge?
Can
I
you
think
hear?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me? Arshia
Yeah.
here? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Arshia, you were saying something. You can proceed. We can hear you.
Wanted to confirm. Can you just repeat the question again?
Is our education system sufficient for practical knowledge? Knowledge.
No, I don't think it is. It is focusing more on the theoretical aspects, which is not bad, but not.
I think that practical knowledge is as important as theoretical knowledge. That whatever we read in theories, we should do it in practicals to understand it more understandable manner.
Uh, I want to add something here.
You were saying my name. I got disconnected, so I couldn't hear you all for some time.
Yeah, so we were talking about how practical knowledge is missing in our education system. That is basically what I was saying. So I just wanted to hear your point of view about it.
About is it missing or no?
Yeah.
I think I mentioned this, but practical knowledge is like everywhere you go. I told also about the vendors. Like I feel the school also does practical knowledge, but if yeah, I agree. Some schools don't do practical knowledge, like you don't have labs and all. But like like it's practical everywhere. Like you go out to buy vegetables, practical knowledge. Change and rupees, mathematics, practical knowledge. So I think practical knowledge is everywhere.
Okay.
Okay, Ankur, you were saying something.
Knowledge is not completely, but mostly missing in our current education system. I'm not talking about of other states, like from where Hriday is, but in our when I was in school, like about 3 years ago, I read first about diffraction and interference for the first time. But after 3 years, like on 31st December, I actually came to know what diffraction is by my real eyes. Up to then, I don't have seen diffraction in the real form. So I think, and it costs nothing. Like you can do almost all the experiments by your own. So why can't teachers do it in the school? And I think there is no heavy equipment need, or no much funds required for them. So I don't see that any reason that practical is not given properly in the schools. हाँ,
I think
एक रीजन ये हो सकता है कि टीचर्स जो हैं उन्हीं को खुद नहीं पता कि कैसे करना है, बट आई
that's what
थिंक
I am saying.
No, it
That
can
some
lack of
teachers don't
facilities
want
also,
to
right?
expand their energies. Some teachers don't want to expend their energies, like to
Hey,
tell
look, that
something
will
more
be
about the topic.
targeting the teachers, and it's more centered towards the education system than the teachers. You know,
then no, I want to add here something, that if a teacher want, then he or she can change the education system completely. Like I have met some teachers in my life, they who are extraordinary. Like they can teach extremely hard topics by uh, very ease. So why most teachers not equally hardworking? Someone is saying that teachers don't want to teach. Then what is the point of becoming a teacher at all? दिक्कत ये है कि इस
That's of
देश
course
में
their choice.
दिक्कत ये है कि इस देश में लोग टीचर इसलिए बनते हैं क्योंकि उनको कोई और जॉब नहीं मिलती. No one wants to teacher because it's their passion, as I
If
think.
you will see, if you will see government teachers, they are just sitting and they don't teach students at all. They went to school for just sitting. I had seen many examples are there.
see, that's because the government is full of corruption. I mean, come on, it's the reality. And because of all that,
That's
the
a,
people who don't deserve to be teachers are actually made teachers because they come from an influential background. And
like opposite my house, or bit not opposite, but bit far away from my house, 5 minutes walk. Over there, like every morning when this quarantine wasn't there, a teacher used to come and she used to teach kids for free, and that was very well. She used to give notebooks, pens, and she used to also give the full day's food. And I used to see these kids, they go up and they're really happy. That's why saying, I'm not saying that government schools or they don't teach well or something. They do teach well, but some of them don't. But I um, like, do you get my point?
Yes,
Safe.
we are getting you.
yeah, so basically, you mean that we need teachers who are very passionate about
Yeah,
teaching.
yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Like I actually don't meet I actually don't meet yet with someone who say that teaching is my passion. Like I don't think that uh, there is someone in our belonging that who can say teaching is my passion, so I become a teacher.
My
Now
physics
in
teacher
this
said that
modern
to me.
era,
you can
people think in this modern era, people think that teaching is about making money. Isn't it true?
Yeah, of course. And that's the
See,
greatest
you can
threat to
say
our
that the
nation.
salaries received by teachers is very low, especially in India. There are so many countries where teachers are the highest paid people. Over there, if you want to teach for money, that is understandable. Here, you don't have
If you
very.
exactly.
will see the gaming country, that the leaders are also paying less than how teachers are going to get the money.
Actually, the thing is, in India, there's one more reason why teachers aren't very passionate about teaching. So, just like how we don't get to study what we want to study, similarly, they don't get to teach what they want to teach, right? This culture in especially schools of US. So, there's no fixed syllabus, right? Whatever the teacher is studying is what she teaches the
To
students,
add
and that's
points
actually the
over this
best way,
topic.
because this way even the teacher remains motivated because
I
even
want
I
to
she
hear
think
is getting
Hiday's
to learn
point of
something
view
new.
about
अभी
this.
के एजुकेशन सिस्टम में मतलब for 10 years she is teaching from
I
that
think
same
that
textbook
practical
और
knowledge
इतनी
is
बार
as
सेम बात पढ़ा
important
चुकी है कि
as
उनको खुद को वो
theoretical
चैप्टर
knowledge,
याद हो गया है.
that
Then
whatever
why
we
will
read
she
in
be that
theory,
passionate
we
about
should do
teaching
it
when she is
in
not growing?
practicals to understand it
Yeah,
more
moreover, you also need students who are
understandable
more
manner.
passionate about the subject so
oh,
that you can
I want to
actually
add
teach
something
them.
here.
It's like you know, you just
You
need
were
to
saying
use
my
two
name.
three
I
days
got
a week to
disconnected, so
work.
I couldn't hear
You
you all
can
for
get
some
that
time.
only when there
Yeah,
are
so we were
good
talking about
changes
how
made to this
practical
system.
knowledge is missing in our education system. That is basically what I was saying. So I just wanted to hear your point
Actually,
of
like
view about
most
it.
people who are passionate about
About
teaching, they don't become
is it
teachers
missing
because
or
like
no?
teaching is like one of the
Yeah.
least respected jobs in India and like
I
very
think
less
I
paid.
mentioned this, but
Yeah,
practical
and
knowledge
that
is
is
That's
probably
like
true.
one of the
everywhere you
reasons why
go.
the teachers
I
are
told
also
also
not
about the
happy.
vendors. Like I feel the
Since
school
we are
also does
talking about
practical knowledge,
passion
but
from a
if
long
yeah, I
time,
agree. Some
how
schools
do we
don't do
actually
practical
discover
knowledge
what
and
we
they
are
don't have
passionate about?
labs and
Do
all.
our present
But
education policy
like
allow us to?
like it's
No, of course
practical
not.
everywhere. Like you go out,
Uh,
the biology students,
in the
practical
beginning,
knowledge,
I have
change and
told
rupees,
you something that
mathematics,
we
practical
all knew
knowledge.
what we want to
So
do
I
in our
think
life from the very
practical knowledge
beginning.
is everywhere.
So somewhere we all know that
Okay.
what we are passionate about.
Okay, Ankur, you were
But
saying
don't you think
something?
that sometimes whatever like we have to be something which we like
Knowledge is
हम लोग को कुछ
not
ऐसा
completely,
बनना
but
होता है जिसके बारे में हमें knowledge
mostly
भी
missing
होती
in
है
our
since we're
current
literally
education system.
passionate.
I'm
That's
not
why
talking
whatever
about
decision
Whatever
हम लोग
you
अपना
need
passion
is
से
very
of
करते हैं.
other
strong,
states, like
and that
from
is
where
something
Hriday is.
that
But
only
in
a
our
few of the
when I
schools
was
do.
in school, like
And right now, when I am
about
in 10th grade, due to this COVID,
3 years
due to this
ago,
pandemic,
I
we just
I
had
read
one
first
career
about
counseling
diffraction
that
and
is from a
interference for the
Portuguese
first time.
school that
But
provides JEE.
after
So
3 years,
obviously,
like
going to be
on
inclined towards
31st
that.
December, I
No,
actually
and
came to know what
they don't even
diffraction
talk about
is
the
by my
various
real
fields
eyes.
in which we can go through
Up
this.
to then, I
Just
don't have
in
seen
if you take science, you're exposed to
diffraction
so
in
many
the
stuff.
real form.
If you take commerce,
So
you're just
I
exposed to
think,
this. If you take
and
arts,
it
they didn't
costs
even talk
costs
about arts.
nothing.
That's the
Like
worst
you can
part.
do almost
So
all the
it's it
experiments by
wasn't a very nice way
your own.
to
So why can't teachers do
expose
it in the school?
various careers to
And I
students.
think
So
there
I
is
think
no
we
I
heavy
need
think
that.
equipment need
I think
or
career counseling
no
also not
funds
helping
required, much funds
in
required for
our life.
them.
Like
So I
people will
don't feel
always
that
at the last word they
any
say that
reason that
whatever you
practical
want
is
to be,
not
you have to
given
search
properly in
by
the
your
schools.
own.
हाँ
Nobody will
एक
come to
रीजन
tell you that what you have
एक
to do.
रीजन ये
You
हो सकता
have
है
to
कि
search
टीचर्स
yourself
जो
that
हैं
what your
उन्हीं को खुद नहीं
abilities
पता कि
are.
कैसे करना है बट आई
That's what
थिंक
I am saying.
No, it
That
can
some
back
Okay,
of
teachers
so
don't
facilities
want
also.
how
to
Like
many you still
spend their
have the same
energies.
goal, like the aim that what you wanted
Some
to
teachers
be
don't
when
want
you were a
to
child?
spend
And
their
have
energies
you
like
guys
to
hey,
tell
look, that
something
will
more
be
experienced
about
that
the topic.
competitive
things change
teachers,
when
and
we hit
you know
puberty or
it's
when we grew
more
up?
about it was
Yes,
centered
yes.
towards the
Of course,
education
things
system
change.
than the
When you
teachers.
were a child,
You know,
many
then
people do
no
be a
I want to
pilot
add
or
here something
doctor.
that if
And
a
after when
teacher
you pass
want
10,
then
then you decide,
he or
okay,
she
what
can change the
now,
education
what
system
we have to
completely.
do. And
Like
after
I have
passing
met
12, the
some
whole
teachers in my
thing will
life they
change that what you
who
have
are
to do.
extraordinary.
Like in
Like
12th
they can
physics,
teach extremely hard
whoever
topics
loves
by
physics, they
uh,
will love.
very
And
ease.
whoever
So
hates physics,
why
they knew
most
that
teachers
they don't
not
want to be engineers. I
equally
love
hardworking?
physics,
honestly,
but
nothing
Someone
has
is
changed
saying
for
that
me. I was
teachers
clueless back
don't
then.
want
I'm
to teach.
clueless now.
Then what is the point of becoming a teacher at all?
many,
एंड दिक्कत
like
ये है कि इस
that's of
देश
course
में
their choice. Who are
दिक्कत ये है कि इस
really
देश में लोग टीचर इसलिए बनते हैं क्योंकि उनको
struggle
कोई और
into
जॉब
this.
नहीं मिलती. No one wants to teacher because it's
Yeah,
their
Ankur, you
passion,
were saying something.
as I
If
think.
you will see,
Hopefully,
if
I'm
you
very clear
if
about
you
the goal
will
from the
see
very
government
beginning.
teachers, they are just sitting and they don't
Me
catch
too.
the students at all. They went to school for just sitting.
I think when
I
like we are
had
small,
seen
we
many
usually have
examples are there.
like unreal
See, that's
expectations about
because
career. Like
the
many people want
government
to
is
become
full of
things that are
corruption. I mean, come on, it's
like
the
not very
reality. And
easily
because of
possible, like
all that, the
astronauts or
people who
something.
don't deserve to be
So
teachers
like
Apurv,
directly make
Apurv,
teachers
actually, I want to
because
be an
they come
astronaut.
from an influential
yeah, but it's like not as easy like as we think as when you're a child. Like when you're a child, we don't know the challenges we have to
Like
background.
go through and what all we
opposite
have
my
to actually
house,
do to
or
become an
like bit
astronaut.
not
So like
opposite,
So
but
Ankur,
For
bit far away from
हाँ,
my house.
Ankur,
5 minutes
you want to be
walk.
an
Over
astronaut.
there,
So
like
what you
every
do that
morning
whatever
when this
knowledge you
quarantine wasn't
uh,
there,
you get
a
what
teacher
मतलब
used to come
आपको
and teach. She
बोलते
used to teach
निकले
kids for
उतना
free, and
knowledge
that was
मिल
very
गया कि
well. She
आप
used to give
कैसे पहुंच
notebooks,
सकते हो उस goal तक.
pens, and she
not
used to
yet,
also give
but
the
I
full
am heading
day's
towards it.
food.
Like I have
And
divided my
I
path
see
in
these
small
kids, they
steps
go
like
up and they're
10th
really
class, 10th,
happy.
12th,
That's why,
engineering, then masters,
say,
PhD.
I'm not saying that
Ultimately,
government schools,
someday I can,
or they don't
I'm sure
teach
that
well
I
or
can reach
something.
there.
They do
और
teach
अगर
well,
नहीं भी
but some
पहुंच पाए
are,
तो कोई गम नहीं,
some they,
क्योंकि
some of them
जो
don't. But
जर्नी है वहां तक पहुंचने का वो अपने
I
आप
like,
में एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है.
like, do you get my point?
Yes,
Say,
we are getting you.
Yeah, so basically you mean
So
that we
probably
need
it's the
teachers
thing
who are
that
very
this
passionate
you
about
are
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
some
Yeah,
of
of
you are
course.
yeah.
Like
fortunate enough to know what you
uh,
want to be.
I
Like I'm just
I
sharing my
actually don't meet
experience.
some.
Please
I
don't
actually
judge me.
don't meet yet
When
with
I was
someone
kid back then, I
who say
wanted to
that
be a
teaching is my
pani puri
passion.
wala. I'm not
Like I don't think
joking.
that
And then
there is
when I
someone in
grew up,
our
reality
belonging that
actually
who can
hit me.
say teaching is my passion. So I become a teacher.
Yeah, like
So
when I
Now
was a
now,
kid,
in
I
this
only
Exactly.
had
modern
No,
era, people
because
think
construction site to
okay,
work
one
at. Like
more drawback
in
of
this
the
modern
education
era,
system
people think
is
that teaching
that
is
if
about
you know
making money.
no
Isn't it
sort of
true?
job like after studying
Yeah, of
b-
course.
you
And
enter
and
some
that's the
sort of
See,
greatest
you
field,
can
threat
say
to our
that the
but
nation.
salary received
if
by
that
teachers is
job
very
pay you
low,
well, you're not
especially in
appreciated
India.
by the society. There are so many
yeah,
countries
this is
where
the thing,
teachers are the
and this
highest
is
paid people.
we
Over
are
there, if
taught
you
this
want to
since
teach
the
for
very
money, that is
beginning,
understandable.
from
Here, you
class
don't
one,
have.
If
that
you
you have to
are,
grow
if
up,
you
then you
Exactly.
have
will
to
see
be a good
the
person
means
and
country that
actually a
the
rich
leaders
person, not
are
a good
also
person. We are not
paying
taught that.
less
We are
than
taught to
how
be
teachers
rich
are going to get
and live a good
money.
life.
Actually, the thing
And
is, in
many
India,
people
there's one more
think
reason
that
why
we want to be
teachers
a
aren't
rich
very
person.
passionate
But
about
at last, the
teaching.
question is
So,
about
just
money,
like
getting
how we
money.
don't get to study what we want to study,
Yeah,
similarly, they don't
and
get
like
to
if
teach
you
what
see
they
in
want to
America,
teach, right?
the
You
teenagers
know,
there they
this
do any
culture
sort of
in
job to
especially
gather money
schools
for
of
college.
US. So,
And
there's
if you
no
do this
fixed
thing in
syllabus,
India, you will
right?
be criticized for
Whatever
it.
the
So
teacher
that's
is
one
studying is what she
thing that
teaches the
has
students, and
happened
that's actually the
probably.
best
It's
way
like education
because this
system
way
is
even the
influencing
teacher
us
remains
somehow.
motivated because even
They will
she's
encourage
getting
you.
to learn something new. अभी के education system में मतलब for 10 years she is teaching from that same textbook
I think
और
we should
इतनी बार
move
same बात
towards
पढ़ा चुकी
next
है कि
thing.
उनको खुद को वो chapter याद हो गया है. Then why will she be that passionate about teaching when she is not growing?
Okay, Tanisha, will you
Yeah,
please read
moreover,
out
you
the
also
next
need
point?
students who are so passionate about the subject so that you can actually teach
Point
them.
is
It's like,
choice given
you
to
just need the whole student teacher
students,
equation to work.
like
And you
thinking
can
out
get
of the
that
box
only when there
and
are
additional
good
projects
changes
according
made to
to
this system.
students' choices.
Okay,
Actually, like
so
most
So
what are
people
the
are
things?
passionate
basically,
about teaching, they don't become teachers
from
because like
class
teaching is
one,
like one of the
we
least
have to
respected jobs in
study
India
whatever we
and like very less
have to
paid.
like. As new
Yeah, and
education
that is
policy
That's
probably
true.
one of the reasons why
it
the
I
teachers
don't
are
know
also
the
not
whole,
happy.
मतलब उसके बारे में मुझे अच्छे से पता नहीं है, but इतना पता
Since
है
we
कि
are
class
talking
10 के
about
बाद
passion from a
whatever
long time,
subjects we want
how
to
do we
study,
actually
we can
discover
choose a
what we
single
are
subject
passionate about?
by
Do
our
our
own when
present
we are
education
interested.
policy allow us
So
to?
I don't think that it No, should of
Uh,
be
which
like
class are you?
implemented in our like
Uh,
what?
in the beginning,
Which class are
I
you
have
in right now?
told you something
I am
that
in semester
we
one
all
now.
knew what we want to
Oh,
do in
okay.
our life from the
So
very
you
beginning.
won't be able to avail it.
So
But yeah,
somewhere
you
we
have
all
thought
know that
and
what
listened
we are
about
passionate about.
the Delhi
But don't you
education
think that
policy,
sometimes
so that
whatever
you get
like
to
we
choose
have to
what
be
kind of
something
subjects you want,
which
and
we
in case
like
there are
हम
no
लोगों को कुछ
specific
ऐसा
sets
बनना
like
होता है जिसके
PCM,
बारे में हमें
PCB,
नॉलेज नहीं होती है और कहीं से मिल भी
commerce,
नहीं पाती है.
economics, all
लैक
that.
ऑफ
See,
नॉलेज की
So
what
वजह से
we
choosing
भी हम
all
one
लोग अपना
need
I
is
think
पैशन
it's a
career
very nice
counseling.
step, and that is something that only a few of the schools do. And right now, when I'm in 10th grade, due to this
it doesn't
COVID
matter.
Yeah,
thing, due to this pandemic, we
Akanshi, would
just
you
had
like to say
one
something?
career counseling, that too from a coaching institute that promotes JE. So obviously, it's going to be inclined towards that. No, and
Akanshi, are
they
you
don't
there?
even talk about the various
Yes.
fields in which we can go to. It's just, if you take
So
science, you're exposed
please
to
say
so many
something. We
stuff.
are eager to
If you're
listen to
if you
you.
take commerce, you're just exposed to this. If you take arts, they didn't even talk about arts. That's the worst part.
I
So
don't have
it's,
any
it
point
wasn't a very
regarding.
nice way to expose
Okay,
various
Akanshi,
careers
I'll
to
ask you a question.
students. So I think we
I
need
What do you
that.
think
think about the evaluation
I
system
think career
of
counseling
India,
also not help us
Indian education system?
in our life. Like people will
Like,
only at the last
do
word
you
they
think
say
marks
that
are
Okay,
good?
whatever you want to be, you have to
okay.
search by
Uh,
your own.
okay.
Nobody is
You
going to
all
tell
have
you
been
that
thinking
what
that
you
the
have to
evaluation
do. You have
system is
to
bad.
search yourself that
I'm
what
not
your
in favor,
abilities
but
are.
I want to know if we are not getting evaluated, then how would we grow?
Okay, so
If
how many
we
you
don't know
still
what are
have
the
the
skills,
same
how
goal,
would
like
we
the
grow?
aim that what you wanted to be when you were a child, and
I
have
think
you
so.
guys
It's good
experienced
also
that
and it is
things
bad also.
change when we hit
To
puberty or
judge
when we
anyone
grew
on the basis of evaluation.
Yes, yes,
But
of course
we shouldn't
things change.
forget the fact
When
that
you were
it
a
also
child,
helps
you
other to
many people dream to be a pilot or
grow.
doctor.
Okay. I know
And
there's
after when you pass
negative effect
10, then you
also,
realize, oh
but
shit,
can't
what
we say
now?
that
What we
evaluation
have
is
to
wrong
do?
thing?
Now after
somehow it
passing
is
It
there.
12th,
can
the
be
whole thing
replaced
is
when
changed that what you have
practical
to do.
knowledge comes
To
into
like
effect.
in 12th
If
physics,
you,
regarding
you
whoever
cannot
loves
judge,
physics, they will
okay,
love,
not
and
judge
whoever
exactly,
hates
but
physics, they
suppose
knew
you've been
that they
given a
don't want
project
to be
and you're
engineers.
able to do
I
it
love physics,
successfully,
Honestly,
but
that's
nothing
when
has
you
changed for
develop
me.
your
I was
interest in
clueless
that
back then,
particular
I'm
subject,
clueless now.
and that's what guides you to go further with it, right?
many,
So
And
maybe if
Or
you
like
take
there are
something like
many
that,
different
if
students
that
who
you
are
have
really
gotten full
need
marks, then you will think that I
struggles
have
between this.
got the sufficient knowledge and I'm the fullest and everything. Then how would you grow if you
Yeah, Ankur, you were
can't get
saying something.
if you get
uh,
full marks?
hopefully,
I want to
I'm very
ask
clear
that
about my
how
goal
can
from the
we
very beginning.
know that what our abilities are?
Me
That's
too.
the good thing that you are very clear.
see, that's what I was talking
I
about.
think when
If
like
you
we are small, we
understand the
usually have
concept and you apply
like
it
unreal expectations
practically,
about career. Like many people want to become things
or
that are
suppose you've been given
like
an
not very
you've been
easily
given an
possible,
easy
like
project
astronauts or
on River
something.
Valley civilization.
So like
Then you
Apurv,
But
use
now,
the
Apurv,
research,
actually, I
and
want to
then
be an astronaut.
when you're just
yeah,
so
but it's like not as easy like as we think
say
as
your
when you're a
teachers,
child.
you
Like
give
when you're
it
a
to
child, we
them
don't know the
and they
challenges we
go
have
through
to
it, and
go through and what
when
all we
the
have to actually do
thing
to
is
become an
really
astronaut. So like,
appreciated by
Okay,
so
people,
Ankur,
so,
that's when you
um,
move
huh.
towards it, right?
Ankur, you want to be an
You
astronaut.
can't be
So what you
confined to the
think that
textbook
whatever
and then
knowledge
learn it
you
up and then write it down on your
you
papers,
got
get
what
marks,
मतलब
and
आपको
then
उस
you know
गोल
you're
तक
like,
पहुंचने के
yay,
लिए
history is my
इतना
subject,
नॉलेज
and
मिल
that's
गया
when
कि
I'm
आप
going on
कैसे
to
पहुंच
you
सकते
can't
हो
do
उस गोल
that.
तक.
Not yet, but I am heading towards it. Like, I have divided my path in small steps, like class 10th, 12th, engineering, then master's, PhD. Ultimately, someday I
I
can,
want to say
I'm
something
sure that I can
actually.
reach
What
there.
I think of
और
the
अगर नहीं भी पहुंच पाया
evaluation
तो कोई
system
गम
is
नहीं,
that it
क्योंकि
should be
जो
wholesome.
जर्नी है
And
वहां तक
when I
पहुंचने
was
का
a
वो
kid
अपने
in
आप
back
में
in
एक
LKG and
बहुत बड़ी
UKG,
चीज है.
in the report card, the yearly report card we get and at the end of the semester, there was grades
So
for
probably
everything
it's
like
the thing that
discipline and
this
behavior.
some
Now
of
I
you are
don't see them.
fortunate
I
enough to
just
know
see
what you
marks,
want to
marks, and
be.
marks.
Like
So
I'm just
that
sharing
is
my
a thing that
experience.
should
Please
be
don't
changed.
judge me. When I
Education
was
should
kid
not
back
just be
then, I
about
wanted to be a
marks,
pani puri
learning
wala.
and
I'm
getting
not
marks, learning and
joking.
getting marks. It should be
And
much
then
of
when I
me
grew
too
up,
getting
reality
the
actually
knowledge.
hit me.
You should know what you are learning, and then only you will get to know what your
yeah, like
So
when
ability
I
now
was
is,
a
what
kid, I
you are
wanted to
good
be
at,
like
what
a
you are interested
construction
in, and
site
what
Okay,
your
worker.
one
passion
So
more
is.
drawback of the education system is that
Basically, I
if
don't think
you
that
know
report card
no sort
sets
of job,
us
like after
marks.
studying,
People
you
make
enter
it
some
for
sort
that
of
that
career.
report
Now,
card only tells us
if
marks.
that job
But
pay
if
you
we
well,
take
you're
it
not
from a
appreciated by the
different
society.
perspective, then it can teach
Yeah,
us
this is
many
the
other
thing.
things.
And this is we are taught this since the
For
very
example,
beginning. From class 1 that you have to
Like
grow up and you have to be
we
a good
can
person
understood
and
abilities
actually
that
a
what
rich
all we
person,
are
not a good
doing.
person. We are
If
not taught that.
nobody
We are taught
forced
to be
us that
rich and live a good
what marks you
life.
are getting. Like if you got many people teach us that you want to be a good person. But at last the question is about money, making money. Prepare for other things. One minute.
Yeah, and like if you see in
see,
America, the teenagers there
one
they
thing
do any
that I
sort
would
of
like to
job
say
to gather money for college.
on Suhani's
And
point
if you do this thing in
point
India,
that
you'll be criticized for it. So
okay, are
that's
you getting too
one
much of
thing that has
noise
happened.
from the background?
Probably it's like education system is
Little.
There's a
influential in
little.
this somehow.
Is it
I'm
fine?
pretty sure it is.
Yeah, you
Yeah, it's
continue.
fine. We can hear you.
Okay, so I was saying that I
I think
wanted to
we
give a
should
point
move
here
towards
कि
next
जो
point.
फिजिकल एजुकेशन होता है स्कूल में वो क्या मतलब कुछ फायदा होता है क्या
See,
स्टूडेंट्स को
Tanisha,
उससे
will you please
क्योंकि हम लोग का
read out
पीजी
the
का जो
next
एग्जाम
point?
भी होते हैं जो थ्योरी पढ़ रहे हैं जो प्रैक्टिकल पढ़ रहे हैं इससे कुछ
Point
फायदा होता है
is
क्या चॉइस गिवन टू
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, कहीं भी नहीं.
स्टूडेंट्स
Even the teacher
like
that
thinking out of the
teaches us
box
PHE, वो भी
and
कहते हैं कि
additional
बुक से अगर
projects
बाहर
according to
लिखोगे, that means
students'
straight away you
choices.
have cheated in online exams. I've seen this. And this is really, I mean,
so
why
So
can't
what
we
are the views?
add
basically,
on points?
from class 1, we have to study whatever we have to. Like, as new education
We have
policy is
understood.
As
coming,
a
so
subject
it, I don't
taken
know
for
the
granted.
whole,
That
मतलब उसके
no
बारे
doubt
में
about
मुझे
that.
अच्छे से पता नहीं
But
है, but
a plus
इतना
point
पता है
here
कि
is
class 6
that
के बाद
when they see that a
whatever
student
subject we
is
want
really
to
good at a
study,
sport,
we can choose a
they
single subject
motivate
of
and
by
encourage
our
him to
own
go
which we
for
are
more,
interested.
and they also,
So I don't
uh,
think when it
they
will be
motivate which them class are you
implemented in in our life.
um,
What?
sorry,
Which class are you in right
sport,
now?
sport
I am in semester
competition.
1 now.
You know what I'm
Oh,
talking about,
okay.
those
Oh, so you
companies
won't
that
be able to
conduct those
avail it.
events.
But yeah, even I've
Yeah, so
heard
they get
similar
in
things about
association with that,
national and
they
the new
also
education
promote our
policy,
students
so that you
to
get to
go
choose
for
what
it.
kind of
So
subjects
I
you
think
want,
in
and in
terms of
this there are no
sport and all,
specific
I
sets
think
like
my school
PCM
does
or
a very
PCB
good job.
or commerce or economics, all that.
I can
You can
actually
choose
say that
anything you
our
want,
school
and I think that's a very
lacks
nice
in
step.
these things. People value education more than anything. We don't even have a games period.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
It's okay.
Akanshi, would you
Like
like
in
to say
the
something? 11th
11th
and 12th standard.
Yeah, I can say that
People
बहुत
from
combination होते हैं.
can.
Because
Akanshi, are you
I
there?
am a non-computer.
Yes.
मुझे हर रोज एक गेम्स पीरियड फ्री में मिलता है और
So
उन लोग का अगर
please say
कंप्यूटर
something. We
है
are eager to listen
तो
to
उन लोग
you.
को गेम्स पीरियड नहीं मिलता. Akanshi,
I
have you
don't
done
have
that?
any point regarding.
PED class, we don't get a games period.
Okay,
We just
Akanshi,
have to stick to
I'll
the
ask you a
syllabus.
question.
Yeah, Akanshi, please say.
What do you think about the evaluation system
Tanisha was saying
of
something.
India, Indian education system? Yeah, yeah.
Yes. You were
Like,
telling something.
do you think marks are
Okay.
good? I was asking your opinion
Okay.
because you have also
Uh,
been in the same school,
okay. You
so
all
you
have been
know
telling that evaluation
what all
system is
goes
bad.
there.
I'm not in favor, but I want to know if
But I
we are
think,
not
sir,
getting evaluated,
our
then
school
how
are
would
not
we grow?
providing that
If
environment to our
we don't know
teachers so
what are
that they can
mistakes,
provide us
how
the
would we
proper
grow?
environment. So is it not
So I
fault
think
of our
so.
teachers?
It's
Sometimes
good, okay, and
if
it is bad
whoever
also.
was telling
To
teaching us
judge
from
anyone
herself,
on the
he
basis of
has
evaluation, but
given us
we
the
shouldn't
practical.
forget
He
the
has
fact that
shown
it
the
also
every part.
helps other to
So I think so. The
grow.
जहाँ तक
Okay, I know
possible
there's
है, he shows
negative
us,
effect also,
but
but can't we say that
नहीं होता है
evaluation is
तो
wrong
you
thing?
can't.
Somehow
See,
it is
it
good.
can be replaced
Okay,
when
but
practical
what about the
knowledge
other
comes into
subjects?
practice. If you
Regarding
Regarding
about
this,
physical
judge,
education and our
okay,
health.
not
oh,
judge exactly, but suppose you've been given a project and you're
I
able to
want to
do it
know that
successfully,
what
sorry to
you
that's
all
when
interrupt,
you
understand.
but
develop your
Ayushi
interest in that
left.
particular subject. And that's what drives you to go further
Yeah,
there,
actually,
right?
she's busy,
So
so
maybe if you have
she
okay.
left.
something like that,
Suppose
Okay,
in
fine.
subject you have gotten full marks, then you will think that I have
Okay,
got
I
the
want to ask a
Okay,
sufficient
question
knowledge
here.
next.
and
That
I'm the fullest, I know
Yeah.
everything.
can I?
Then how would you
What
grow
you all
if
study
you
in
can't
PhD,
get low, if
physical
you get full
education?
marks?
You don't know?
I want to ask here that how can
What?
we? No, I
You
want to
don't
know
know
that what
about
our
physical education?
abilities are. No, what you all really study in it, like what you
see, that's what
understand
I
by
was
it.
talking about. If you understand a concept and you apply it
We understand that
practically,
it is a
you
good
know,
subject to score marks.
or
To be
suppose
honest.
you've been given a history, you've been
That's
given a
what I
history
am
project
asking you.
on River Valley civilization,
Like I've
and
not
you do a
taken PhD,
lot
but
of
like
research, and then
from some of in PhD, they like
when you're just
you have
so
to like memorize stuff like what is the
say your
length of a football
teachers,
field
you
and
give
like
it to them,
is
and
there any
they go
actual
through
use of
it, and
memorizing that stuff?
when the
Yeah, but
thing is
when
really
you apply it
appreciated by
practically,
people,
for example,
that's
in a
when
game
you
of
move
football, that
towards
will
it,
actually help.
right?
So
You
unless you're
can't
not
be
into
confined to the
football,
textbook and then
I
learn
think
it
that
up and then
sort of
write it down on your
education will help
paper,
you.
get marks, and then you're like, yay,
So
Like
history
you're
is
not
my
going to
please
subject and that's
help.
what
calculate
I'm
the
doing in the
football field.
future.
Like
You
what
can't
is the
do
length?
that.
So like how far should I? It's like unless you do it practically, you're not going to actually. There's actually no point in knowing that.
Yeah, that's the point. So I don't even have a PED. PED is an
I
optional
want to
science
say
subject,
something actually.
which
What I think
along with
of the
computers and all. So
evaluation
I have
system
taken
is that it
computers
should
just
be
from what
wholesome.
I know
And
that I
when I
like
was a
them to
kid
take
in
in
back in
PED.
LKG and
So they
UKG, in
study
the
for the
report card, the
exams and
yearly
they know
report
most of
card
it
we get,
already
and
because
at
they've
the
already
end of the
applied it
semester,
practically.
there
So
was
all that
grades
actually
for
helps
everything like
if
discipline
you use
and
it correctly.
behavior. Now I don't see them. I just see
Okay.
marks, marks, and marks. So that is
So,
a
guys, I
thing
think
that
the time's
should
up.
be changed. Education should not
Do
just be
anyone
about
else like
marks,
to add any
learning and
points,
getting
or
marks,
shall we
learning and getting
continue?
marks. It should be much of getting the knowledge.
I think
You
we
should
should
know what you are
continue.
learning, and then
Okay,
only
if
you
So
will
I
get
have
one
to
to
know
say
what your
something.
abilities
okay,
are, what you are
So
good at, what you are interested in, and
I
what's
have a
your
question.
passion is.
Suppose you all have given the chance to choose the
Basically, I
top
don't think that
the
report card
topic, the
tells
thing you
us
all
marks.
want to, but after
People make
sometimes we
it
all
for
get bored.
that
So
report
if you all have
card
given the
only tells us
option
marks.
choice to
But
choose
if
your
we
subject of
take
your
it
own,
from a
but
different
there would be no some
perspective,
time
then it
then
can teach
you
us
would be
many
bored of
other
that,
things.
then what would you do at that time?
For
That's
example,
our fault, na, that we are not focused. Like we can understood
It's just a
abilities that
human
what all
nature
we are good
to
in it.
get bored
If
after
nobody
the
forced
thing
us
that
that
if you get it
what marks you are
easily,
getting
you
like
would
if
be
you
get
got a
bored of
D
that.
grade. then people just
That's the thing.
humiliate you
The
that you are
reality of
getting
our
D.
life.
Don't
Whatever
you
we got easily, we are
prepare for
bored
other things?
instantly.
One
So
minute.
Mujlu, think about doing a you doing
See,
you think about
one
going
thing
deeper into
that
the
I would like to
subject
say
and doing more research about it,
on Suhani's
or else probably just turn
point
off
that
YouTube for a short while.
okay, are you
For
getting too much
example,
of
if I'm preparing for the
noise
exam
from the
and I
background?
become bored, I just start doodling
Little
something.
bit.
There's a little.
Is it
Okay,
fine?
let's if I took
Yeah,
environmental
you
Yeah,
can
it's
science
continue.
fine. We can
and
hear you.
I have to
Okay,
research
so I was
too
saying
much. So
that
I
I
think
wanted to
that
give a
I won't
point
be
here
interested in
that
that
कि
subject
जो
because
फिजिकल एजुकेशन
I will
होता है
be
स्कूल में
searching something in it.
स्कूल में
So I won't get
वो क्या
bored
मतलब
while
कुछ फायदा होता
taking
है
that
क्या
subject.
स्टूडेंट्स को उससे? क्योंकि हम लोग का पीएचडी का जो एग्जाम भी होता
Yeah,
है,
and no one
जो
should
थ्योरी
force
पढ़
you
रहे
to
हैं, जो
do
प्रैक्टिकल
something
पढ़
you
रहे
love
हैं,
to do.
इससे कुछ फायदा होता है क्या?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं,
Okay,
कहीं
and
भी
I
नहीं.
also
Even
wanted
the
to
teacher
add
that
one thing.
teaches us
No
PHE,
matter how
वही
bad our
कहते हैं कि
education
बुक से अगर
system
बाहर
is,
लिखोगे,
and see,
that
I
means
wouldn't call it
straight
that
away you
because
have
it is
cheated in online exams.
after
I've
giving
seen
us
this.
education, not
And this
only
is
about
really,
ego, but
I
okay,
mean,
whatever.
why
So
can't we
I think we
add
should
on
focus on the positives, yeah, and then probably move on. Let's end on an optimistic note. That's about it.
points we have
Scared
understood?
as a subject is taken for granted.
Say this for 10
That
seconds.
no doubt about that.
See, I
But
said that
a
we
plus point
discussed
here
all
is
about the
that
negatives
when they
today,
see that a
but
student
I'm
is
pretty
really
sure
good
there are
at a
quite a lot
sport,
of positives,
they motivate and
and I
encourage him to
want this
go
to
for
end on
more,
an
and they
optimistic note.
also, they
Yeah.
also get
Okay.
associated with various sorry, sport competition.
I
You know,
think
you know what I'm
that
talking about, those
in
companies
some
that
parts of
conduct those
India,
events.
the education
Yeah,
system
so
is
they
good.
get an association
Like
with that,
they
and
also
they
get support
also
from their
promote our
teachers,
students
and
to go for it. So I think in
there
terms of
is no,
sport
like
and
one
all,
more
I
thing.
think the school does
There
a
are two
pretty good
boards,
job.
na, CBSE and ICSE. So
I can
Suhani
actually say that our
Yadav,
school lacks in
she
these
was from
things.
ICSE, and when
People value
I was talking
education
to
more than
her,
anything. We don't even
उसने मुझे
have a
बताया
games period.
कि उन लोग को बस डेरिवेशंस लिखा देते थे एंड उन लोग को
Like in
मतलब
the 11th
पता
and
करना
12th
होता था कि इसमें
standard,
हो क्या रहा है, ऐसा कुछ रटाते नहीं थे उन
Yeah,
लोग.
I can say that
people
one
from
So like
explanation of
that.
this.
can
I
So
think that a positive
Because
thing
I
about education
am a
system is
non-computer,
कि those
मुझे हर रोज
students
गेम्स पीरियड
who
फ्री में
just
मिलता
not
है
decided that what they
और
have
उन लोग का
want to
अगर
be
कंप्यूटर है
good for
तो
that
उन लोग को
that
गेम्स पीरियड नहीं मिलता.
जो भी बाउंड्रीज है वो थोड़ा सप्रेस्ड है मतलब कम है.
आकांक्षी
even
अंकुर.
in the PED
Okay,
class,
but
we
I
don't
heard
get
here
a
that you
games
don't
period. We
have
just have to
weaker
stick to the
boundaries, are there?
theory. Yeah, Kanshi, please say.
मीन्स लाइक कि आपके पास
Tanisha was
आकांक्षी
saying
अंकुर.
something.
मतलब 3 चीज रखे हुए हैं उसमें
Yeah,
से
yeah.
आपको एक
Yes,
चीज चूज करना है.
you were
अगर
telling
बहुत
something.
ज्यादा चीज आ गया वहां पे तो
I
फिर
was asking your
फिर वो
opinion
सही
because
नहीं
you
है.
have also been in the same school, so you know
Okay, if we think
what
of
all goes
theory
here.
now,
Okay, Apurva
But
and
I
Ankur,
think, sir,
what do you
our
want to
school
say?
are not providing that environment to our teachers so that they can provide us the proper environment. So,
There
is
is
it
nothing
not
particular to
fault of
add,
our teacher?
so
Sometimes, if you remember, he
we
was
don't have
telling,
to say anything.
teaching us the muscles. He has
I
Okay,
think we
Apurva.
given
don't
us
have any
the
positive thing
practical.
as
He has
well
shown the
with
every
this
part.
education system.
So I think so. The जहाँ
Actually, not
तक possible
not
है,
a
he shows
particular,
us,
not a single
but
thing is positive about our current
नहीं
situation.
होता है तो he can't.
Like
Okay,
I can say that,
but what about other subjects?
like I can
This
proudly
was just
say
about
that
physical
in
education and
last
our health.
up to the class 12, I have whatever I've learned.
I
I
want to
learned
know
on
that
my
sorry
own.
to
what you
interrupt
all
like
It
this,
does
understand.
but Ayushi
only
left.
20 to 30% work for, and that is just
Okay,
Yeah,
exposing me to
actually,
the
she's
topic
busy,
which I've never
so
heard of.
she left.
Otherwise,
okay, fine.
finding the topic and going deep inside it and finding new things, all I've
Okay,
done
I want to
myself.
ask a
Also,
question
guys,
here that
yeah,
okay,
Okay,
we
we
are
are
talking
just
about
here.
what
yes.
you all
Yeah,
study
I
in
actually
PhD, na?
proposed you to that
Physical
topic,
education.
and
You
that
don't
is
know?
how you thought about
What?
going into it.
No, I
You
want to
don't
know
know
from you
about physical
all that
Yeah.
education?
no
So
what
yeah,
you all
that's how
really
we
study in it, like what you understand by it. Tanisha,
We
you talked
Yes.
about
understand that it
CBSE,
is a good subject to
CBSE board
score
and
marks,
ICIC board.
to
What can
be
you
honest.
say?
Exactly.
That's
Like
what I am
Jharkhand
asking board
board,
or
UP
Bihar
board,
board or
yeah,
Like I've
the
not
Maharashtra
same.
taken
board.
PHE, but like
What?
You
from
have
some
Do
no
of
we
in
idea.
have
PhD, they like
do
you
we
have to
have
like
anyone
memorize
from
stuff
the state
like
board?
what is the length of a football field
I
and
was from the state
like
board,
is there any
so
actual use of
that's hard
memorizing
because
that stuff?
from JAS,
Yeah,
You
but
can
when you
pretty
apply
much
it practically, for
explain.
example, in a game of football, that would actually help.
I think the
So
state board
unless
of
you're not
Jharkhand is
into
worse
football,
than any
I
other
think
board.
that sort of education could help you. Yeah, I went through my friends.
So
But like you're not going to
BSc
So the
has
calculate in the
history that
football
you
field like
learn
what
is
is the length, so like
basically
how far should I? It's
basically
like
about learning the
unless you do
main
it
events.
practically,
You
you're not
can
going to
call it
actually.
march, but
There's actually no
there are
point
so
in knowing that.
many things that that's the point.
You
So
actually
I
get
don't
to
even have a
learn the
PED.
names of
PED
new
is
ancient
an option in
temples and
ninth and
all,
10th,
or
with
various
along with
locations
computers and
in
arts.
India
So I
where
have
you could
taken
go
computers, but
for
from what
traveling and
I
all.
know,
That
that I have
is
a lot
just
of
an
friends
SST,
who've
I just
taken
read the
PED.
SST.
So they
And
study
physics
for
chem
the
and all is
exam,
the
but they
same as
know most of it
CBSE
already
actually.
because they've already
But
applied it
I really
practically.
like that about
So
their history
all that
because we
actually
actually
helps
get to know about various
if you
tourist
use it
destinations in India.
practically.
So I really like that part.
Okay.
okay. What if history is
So, guys, I
taught
think the
us
time's
in a
up.
different manner? Like अगर कोई ऐसा
Do anyone
स्टेट
else
हो
like
जैसे
to
ताजमहल
add
के
any
बारे में अगर
points, or
बताया जा
shall
रहा
we
हो और
conclude?
हम लोगों को वहाँ ले जाके वो समझाया जाए तो कितना अच्छा होगा ना? I think we should conclude now.
Yeah, but you also
Okay,
need
I
to
have to
Educational
say
tours.
something. Oh, okay. Akanshi, go ahead.
हाँ, but मेरी
I
parents
have a
मत
question.
allow. That's
Suppose you
what the
all have
problem is.
given the chance to
I
choose
want to add here something.
the
Like all
the
of you have
topic, the thing you all want to,
learned about
but after sometimes we
German
all get
Holocaust,
bored.
right?
If you all have given
yes.
the option
So
choice to choose your
how
subject of
much
your
you
own,
have
but there would be no some
remembered from
time
that
then
chapter?
you would be bored of that, then what would you
Just
do
that
at that
Hitler
time?
was the worst person on
That's
earth,
our fault, na, that
and
we are not
Anne
focused the
Frank
Uh,
was
subject which we have
hidden
been
in a
actually,
doing.
country.
This is the
there are some
human
very
nature
really good
to
movies
get bored
have
after
been made over
the
on this
thing that
topic,
you
and they are
if you get
Oscar-winning
it
So
movies.
what
easily,
isn't a
you
Uh,
boring
would be get
drama?
bored of that thing.
like The Pianist and
That's
Schindler's
the
List,
truth. The reality of our
etc.
life, whatever we got
So
easily, we are
the
bored
point is,
instantly.
why
So what
not
do you
we
think
can
about
why not we can
you think
uh,
about
project
going
these
deeper
movies in
into
our
the
classrooms?
subject and doing
I
more
know
research about
there are
it,
some very disturbing
or
scenes in
probably
these
just
movies,
taking up something
but
for a short
But we
while?
can remove too.
Say for example, if I'm
yeah, but
preparing for my
the
exams
students
and
of
I
class
get bored,
9,
I just
10th,
start
or
googling
11, 12,
somewhere.
they are
That's about
mature
it.
audience, so they can handle that
Okay,
kind of
let me
stress.
fight to
So I
environmental
think
science, and I have to research
instead of
too
teaching
much.
from a
So
book,
I think that I will be
we can
interested in
watch
that
movies
subject
or
because I
read
am
books
researching
written by
something
the
in it.
actual victims
So
of
I won't
those
get
events.
bored by taking that
The
subject.
whole point is हम लोग को क्यों वो किताब पढ़ाना जो
Yeah,
Yeah,
and you
so
won't be
okay.
bored if you're doing something you love to do.
बंदा है जिसने वो सब खुद
Okay, and I
एक्सपीरियंस
also
करा है,
wanted to
ठीक है,
add
और
one
उसने
thing.
अपना लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस
No
लिखा,
matter
हमें
how
स्कूल में
bad
वो
our
क्यों नहीं पढ़ाया
education
जाता?
system is, I mean, see,
फॉर
I wouldn't
एग्जांपल
call it
अगर
that
फिजिक्स
because
है,
it
ठीक
is,
है, फिजिक्स
after all, giving
मैंने
us
एक
education, not in
शेयर
the
किया था
right way
ग्रुप पे
though.
फॉर
But
द
okay,
लव ऑफ
whatever.
फिजिक्स,
So
अगर उस
I
बुक को
think
कोई
we should
पढ़ ले
just
पूरी
focus
तरह
on
से
the
तो उसे
positives.
बेसिक फिजिक्स ऐसे ही आ
Yeah,
जाएगा,
and then probably
उसे
move
स्कूल में
on.
पढ़ने का कोई
Let's end
जरूरत
on
नहीं
an
है.
optimistic note. That's about it.
So I think we should include this kind of books in our
What
syllabus.
say this what you said? हाँ,
See,
like
I said that
history
we
पढ़ने से
discussed
ज़्यादा
all
देखने में
about the
interesting
negatives
लगता है.
today,
History is a
but
really
I'm pretty
interesting
sure there are
subject,
quite a lot of
but
positives,
we don't
and
imply
I
मतलब हम
want
लोग
this
उतना
to end
ध्यान नहीं दे
on an
पाते उस पे.
optimistic note.
Actually,
Yeah.
I am from the science
Okay.
background from the very beginning, but I have a deep interest in marine biology, botany, and history,
I
political
think
science,
that
economics, and
in
इसके लिए
some
हम
parts
स्कूल में
of
कभी नहीं
India,
पढ़े.
the
इनफैक्ट
education system is
डिफरेंट
good.
ऑथर्स की किताब जो
Like they
वो
also
है,
get support from their
एक बुक
teachers,
है
and
फैक्टफुलनेस करके, अगर किसी को इकोनॉमी में इंटरेस्ट
there
है तो
is
वो
no,
किताब
like
पढ़े.
one more thing.
दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है
There are two
इकोनॉमिक
boards,
लेवल
na,
पे मतलब
CBSE and
स्टार्टिंग के लिए
ICSE.
काफी सही बुक है.
So
तो स्कूल में
Suhani
हमें ऐसी
Yadav,
किताबें पढ़ानी चाहिए, ना कि वो
she was
बोरिंग
from ICSE,
एनसीईआरटी
and
जिसमें
when
पालमपुर की
I was
कहानी और
talking
पता
to
नहीं क्या क्या
her,
दिया रहता है.
उसने मुझे बताया
So Ankur,
कि उन लोग
you
को
are in
बस
which class?
डेरिवेशंस लिखा देते
आई
थे,
मीन
एंड उन लोग को मतलब खुद
बीटेक
पता करना होता था कि
सेकेंड
इसमें
ईयर.
हो क्या रहा है, ऐसे
BTech.
कुछ रटाते नहीं थे उन लोग को.
And
So
Arshia,
like
you?
that.
I am
So
with
I
you,
think
Hasna.
that a positive thing of this education system is कि those students who who yet not decided
Okay,
that
guys.
what they have
I
want
think
to
we're done
be.
for today.
It's good for them that
Yeah, we've crossed
जो भी
the.
boundaries है वो थोड़ा
It's too late now.
suppressed है
Yeah.
मतलब कम है. Let's just
So,
conclude.
any last suggestion?
Okay, but how is
I
that
want
good
to
that you
add
don't have?
a
I
last
mean, your
thing.
boundaries are less.
इलॉन मस्क ने एक बार कहा था, आप
मीन्स
लोगों ने भी
लाइक
सुना
कि
होगा
आपके
शायद,
पास एक
कि
मतलब
अगर हमें कुछ
3
सीखना
चीज
है
रखे
तो
हुए हैं,
वो
उसमें से
हम
आपको
खुद से
एक
सीख
चीज
सकते
चूज
हैं। सब
करना है।
कुछ आजकल
अगर
इंटरनेट पे
बहुत
फ्री में
सारा
अवेलेबल
चीज
है।
आ गया वहां
देयर
पे
इज
तो
नो नीड
फिर
ऑफ
इट
schools
विल बी
and
लिटिल
colleges,
मोर
they are basically for
कंफ्यूजिंग दैट
fun
व्हाट यू हैव टू चूज।
only.
द इंटरनेट डोंट टीच यू
Okay, if we think that way,
ऑल
then yeah.
पॉजिटिव थिंग्स ना, देयर इज सम नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट टू।
Okay, Apurv and Ankur,
वो उसके ऊपर है कि आप
what do
उसे
you want to
कैसे
say?
यूज कर रहे हो।
Yeah, and there can
उसके
be an
ऊपर एक
entire
अलग
But
debate
debate
who
open
will
on
होगी.
teach us?
uh,
But who will teach us how to use it in
There is
positive
nothing
manner?
particular to
As
add,
we are humans
so
and आजकल तो
I don't have to
4-5
say
साल
anything.
के बच्चे के हाथ में फोन रहता है।
Okay,
I think
Apurv.
we don't have any positive
Actually,
thing
you know,
with,
I don't
with
have
this
any
education
idea
system.
about the history of Middle East country, but in this
Actually,
lockdown,
not
I've researched
not
very much on
a
this
particular,
topic,
not a
and now
single
I
thing
can
is
say
positive
that I
about our
can teach the
current
whole
situation.
Middle East history to anyone. Uh, like
Or I can say that,
जबकि मैंने कभी स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ा इसके
like
बारे में, like सीरिया
I
में
can
क्या हो
proudly
रहा है
say
अभी, या फिर
that
टर्की
in last
टर्की का हिस्ट्री वगैरह,
up to the
but
class 12, I
मैंने सब
have
कुछ यूट्यूब पे देखा।
whatever
तो
I've learned,
अगर
I learned on my
कोई भी
own.
सीख सकता
The
है आज
school
के
does
ज़माने में कुछ भी,
only 20
सब
to
कुछ फ्री में
30%
अवेलेबल
work
है।
हाँ, it's
for,
quite easily।
and that is
अगर
just
हम लोगों के
exposing me
पास
to the topics
patience
which
ना
I've
हो
never heard
तो
of.
हमें इधर उधर अब
Otherwise,
ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है,
finding
ऑनलाइन
the
सब कुछ
topic
मिल सकता
and
है।
going deep inside it and finding new things, all I've done myself.
we
Okay,
can
we
put
are
it this
talking
way.
about CBSE and
They
ICIC
actually
Yes.
board, na?
exposed you to that topic, and that is
Okay.
how
I
you
The last thing.
thought about going
and I
into it, right?
really liked it
Yes.
that I actually got to express
So
my
yeah,
views.
that's a valid
Tanish,
So
point.
thank you so much, guys, for listening to me and understanding. And I really love
Tanisha,
listening to you all. And I
you
had a
talked
Yes.
great
about
time.
CBSE board and ICIC board. What's about
We
state
are
boards?
happy to
How is
have
it?
you.
Like
I
Jharkhand board or Bihar board
more
or
idea also.
Maharashtra board?
Also,
What?
कोई suggestion you have
Do
more
we
idea
have
जो आप हमें देना चाहे
do we have
for
anyone from
blogger
the state board?
या
हाँ,
फिर
आज के I was from the state board. Means I passed 12th from
yeah,
JAC
I
You
know
can
some friends
pretty
in
much
last year
Maharashtra.
only.
explain.
who will
Many
try
people
to
were
improve that.
excited. I think the state board of Jharkhand is worse than any other board.
Yeah,
Suhani
and
Bharadwaj,
Also,
also the
I think.
yeah, I
problem
Yes.
learned
of
through my friend's
syllabus
book.
is
So the
ambiguous.
history that they
It
learn
is
are
like education
basically
expectation
it's
versus
it's
reality.
basically
So
about
maybe we could
learning the
next
names
time we
and
could
all.
make
You
it
can
as
call it
one
vast,
sentence,
but
so we
there are
can
so many
have
things that
to,
you
for,
actually
and
get to
against
learn the names of
two
new ancient
separate
temples and all,
teams
or
move
various
already.
locations in India where you could go
All
for
right.
Just
traveling
want
and
to
all.
meet you
That is
all
just an
today.
SST. I just read the SST. And physics,
Yes.
chem,
Just
and
want
all
to
is
meet
the
you
same
too,
as
Vishaka.
CBSE,
See you
ICSE.
soon.
But I
We are
really like
glad
that
to have
about their
all of
history
you.
because we actually get to know about various tourist
Every